Yo, everybody! Not yo, yo! Oh yes, off to yo. Never been. Yo Sushi. We've got one in our Tesco's. It's a takeaway one, it's not an eating. So we're going to go there today. I'm going to grab a few little bits. Well, see what they've got. I'm not having sushi, I don't like it. But I do other stuff. So we're going to grab some, guys. And we're going to give it a little taste. As a nice little video. You'll have to let me know if you've had yo before. I think it's, it's yo, isn't it? I think it's yo sushi, I think that's it. Anyway, so in Tesco's. We're here now. There it is. Good old Tesco's. Yeah, and let's go and have a look and get some. And I'm home. Couldn't record a lot in Tesco because they have the old music on. Sitting in the garden because I'm not getting me lights out just for this one. Now they are first impressions. The stuff looks lovely. Quite expensive though, isn't it? For what it is. I bought two things. Let me show you. We've bought Korean style chicken noodles. Fried chicken. Noodles, KFC sauce, shredded vegetables, topped with spring onions. What's that? Benny? Saga? Whatever that is. And mixed sesame seeds. $6.50 reduced to a £5. It's quite expensive, isn't it? I mean, I suppose if I went up there a bit later on, you probably got it cheaper, wouldn't you? And I got, for taste test, Korean style chicken bao bun. Sesame bun with chicken, Korean sweet chili sauce, pickles, and crispy onions. $3.50 for that. Well, that looks nice. What you do is you just microwave them. There it is, look. That's all you do. And there's the ingredients. I don't know if you can see it. All. So I wasn't buying any good old, what's it called? Bab, with the fish. What's it called, sweetheart?
Oh, sushi.
Sushi.
Yeah, no sushi.
I ain't buying any sushi because we don't like it. But I did show you a bit of it. I think I did anyway. And that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go microwave them. I mean that, I'm going to have a nibble. Ain't we? Yes. Nibble time. And we're done. And I've got somebody just staring and huffing and pulling. Is it today? And it looks, it smells nice, doesn't it, Bab? Really nice. We're going to go into Nats first, into the bao bun.
Let's
yeah.
have some of this juice first. It smells really nice.
I might turn the mic on. Oh. It's going to be hot. There it is.
God, that's got a kick to it.
It's got a kick.
Pick
it up and bite it, Bab.
Okay, I'm going.
Just thinking all your stuff over your top.
I know. That's hot.
Is it hot? I'll leave it for a second. And there's mine.
That's a bit hot.
It looks nice, doesn't it?
Yours looks nice as well.
Well, because they're too hot, we'll leave them for a couple of seconds and I'll bring you back. Right, let's try again. Put our mics on this time. Go on then, Bab. You have a crack now.
That's better.
That's better.
That's really nice, that is.
Is it really nice?
Yeah, it's lovely, that is.
Is it?
Really nice. I've tasted that chicken flavour before. It's really nice. Yum yum.
Yeah.
I like that order. That's really nice.
I think I love 350 though.
No, you don't. They are expensive, aren't they? Do you want me to hold you or you do yours?
There's mine. Look, nice colours. I'm just gonna tip it out. Then we can mash it up.
Did you want to try some of this one?
No, you eat it, darling. There's the noodles. Oops. So I can try a bit independent, a bit individually on here. I got you a fork to try some of this chicken. You try a bit of this chicken, Bab. Oh, gonna. Oh,
I'll just try some of that juice.
oh, have you?
Oh,
Is it spicy?
it's a bit, you know.
There's that there, look. Go on then, have a go at this chicken here. Just grab a piece of chicken. Should be the same sort of chicken, I think, I'm not sure.
Is it in batter? But because it's been put in the microwave, look, because you have to microwave them, it's gone soft again. I'm not sure about that one, you know.
You're not sure?
No. I'm not sure, you know.
I think the bao bun makes them better anyway, because them bao buns are delicious, aren't they? Let me.
See, what do you think?
I'm going to see what I think.
I think it's got a... Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I think it's got a weird taste to it. It's nice, but then you get a weird taste.
Let's have a go.
Oh, I've got a kick to it. It's spicy.
We'll try a bit of the noodle first, guys.
That is spicy, that is.
Well, them noodles are nice, you know. Well, that's got a kick.
Oh, it has got a kick.
Oh, it has, Bab.
Tell you.
Well, them noodles are nice, though.
Your
Got some
noodles
of
nice.
the oh, yeah.
That's what you noodles. I like bao buns though, so I'll
You
probably
do
go.
oh,
It has got a kick to it.
Oh, that's spicy.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll get some.
sorry.
Plenty there.
For God's sake. There we go. Thank
Oh,
you.
wow. Oh, it's lovely, though, but it, that's going to burn your throat, I think.
No, I don't like that. Not because it's spicy. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No,
No. All in the taste, guys, isn't it?
I don't like that. It looks,
Everyone's
and I
different.
turned around and said that looks really nice.
Don't you like it?
No, sorry.
Ooh.
I don't know what it is. It's the flavour.
I like that flavour. That's nice. I've got a kick. Hey, let me know, guys, have you ever had a yo sushi?
They are expensive.
But it's delicious.
Yeah, you can see why.
You can see why, can't you? I know you probably don't like this one, but you like that one.
Oh, I love bao buns. They're just really nice.
You pay for what you get, don't you? Again, don't you?
I really like this.
Them packet ones you buy, and frozen ones from supermarkets, are nowhere near as good as them,
No.
are they?
No.
So that's what it's all about, isn't it?
I forgot about them frozen ones.
We've had them and they are nice, aren't they?
This is nice.
But this
though.
isn't as nice, they ain't as nice as these.
No. This is delicious.
That is really nice.
I'll definitely have one of these again.
Yeah. Obviously as a snack or something.
Oh, yeah.
I know I would definitely have that again. Especially on sale.
Oh, yeah, if I went up there and seen them on sale, I'd grab them. They're lovely. That one's nice, sorry, that one. I'm not too keen on that one.
I don't know if I showed you, when I went, the hut was closing, the place. So you pay at the counter. And it was, what, 4 o'clock when I went up there? So if you went up there later and there's some left, it might be even cheaper,
Yeah?
mightn't they?
That sauce is lovely.
Worth having a
sticky.
look. It's well nice.
I really enjoyed that bao bun.
Nice.
Delicious.
Well, yeah, you got it all. Well, there we go, guys. I like that one. I didn't try a bao, but I know they are nice baos. I like them. I think that's absolutely delicious. So we both like one or the other, don't we? It's all in the taste. It's all what you like, ain't it?
That's got a kick to it though.
It's got a kick, this. But I'm getting used to that kick now. It's not the overpowering kick.
I was going to sound silly. Some pretty colours in there though.
Really nice, isn't
Is
it?
your sauce sticky like mine?
Yeah, it's like a sticky sweet sauce, but spicy.
Yeah.
Well, chilli. And it is chilli as well.
I really enjoyed that. That was really nice, that was.
I don't know whether that's for one person or for two, because there's loads there, isn't there?
There is loads there. I reckon you could eat that.
You'd probably get it for two, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Well, there we go, guys. Something nice and simple. Thursday's, I don't know what day it's going up. Thursday's video will be a cooking video. So I just got a few things on this week, so just trying to get some videos out for you guys, that's all. I am back on my messages. And I'm going to start integrating me Facebook with it as well, as of this week. So, yeah, and I'll put Facebook. I don't know if it's on my channel already, what Facebook is.
I think it is, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure, I'll have to look through
you
it.
just have to just...
Yeah, I'll have to have a look.
Think it.
Because that's been trying to work me out how to do it. So
I keep showing him, but he doesn't get it.
I'm going to have to just learn.
But it is simple. It is...
If you know.
No, I'm just saying, once you get the hang of it, you'll be all right. You'll be away with it. So...
Anyway, I think that is absolutely delicious. I'm going to eat it all now.
As well. I think that's really nice. I enjoyed that.
So, well done, Yo. I think that's delicious. Let me know whether you've been to Yo, whether you've been to, because I've got restaurant ones.
Oh, have they?
Until the next time, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.